Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. This video is going to be a collaboration with another keto YouTuber, IF Keto. What he did is he did a frozen margarita keto style, and I'm going to do one on the rocks, a little twist of flavors put onto his. I'll put a link to his video when I get to the finished product of this one, and I also put a link to his YouTube channel in my description. So let's go ahead and get started with our margarita. This is going to be a strawberry mango margarita keto style. So let's get started. So we need a couple of things, something to measure things with, and Boston shaker, cocktail shaker, mason jar, whatever the hell you got to shake a cocktail, because this one will be on the rocks. Margarita, of course, you're gonna need some tequila. I think I might have just enough for one more. And he used a Blanco tequila, or might have been, it may have been a Reposado. I think he had Margaritaville. This is El Jimador. It's 100% de agave, and that's one thing I always try to look for. Like he mentioned, I don't use high-end, but I will always try to use 100% de agave. So let him get this started. So Margarita is gonna have triple sec orange liqueur, and we're gonna do an on-demand triple sec. So what you're gonna need is a cheap tequila, 10 bucks Pinnacle. Save the good stuff for drinking. Some orange extract, and little sugar-free sweetener. This is Monin sugar-free sweetener. It's their version of a simple syrup. Has 0 net carbs. It's made with erythritol. So what we're gonna start off with this. A margarita recipe calls for 1 ounce of triple sec. So we're gonna put 1 ounce of our vodka. Now this will be a higher proof than a triple sec. Now you could also use, where I got here, my low carb triple sec, that you can kind of catch a video for that right here. But I want to kind of keep it to where his was with kind of all Star-Mart ingredients. So, but from here, we're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of our orange extract. Now, if you want to cut the potency down, you can do like a 1/2 ounce of the vodka and a 1/2 ounce of water. I like mine a little strong, so we're going to straight ounce of vodka. And next we're gonna go with a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And that's it. You have an on-demand triple sec already. I'm gonna drop that in the small shaker, and we're gonna go ahead and cut up, or quarter I should say, 2 large strawberries. Carbs on 2 large strawberries is gonna be about just under 3. Now, we're not eating the strawberries, and there's really no information I can find on what muddled strawberries are, because we're not really eating the strawberries. We're gonna muddle them down, extract some of the juice out of them. The flesh is gonna stay in the shaker because we will be double straining that, so we're not getting any of the meat from the strawberry, just the juices and the flavors. So I'm gonna just guess and say less than 1 gram of carbs in strawberry juice, that we're not eating the full strawberry. So from here, we're gonna get a muddler for fruits. For strawberries, raspberries, I use one with a little teeth on the end of it. It just makes quicker work out of it. And smash that up really good. And now we're gonna go ahead and add 2 ounces of our tequila. Now most margaritas use a Blanco tequila because it's a little fruitier. We're gonna go with something a little more body to it with a Reposado. So we have our tequila, we have our triple sec on demand. We're gonna go ahead and add our lime juice. Got it right here. We'll be using bottled lime juice. We're gonna keep this as low as we can. Kind of what John did on IF Keto. I'm gonna do 1 ounce of lime juice. And then from there, the mango, from the mango strawberry. This is Monin's mango syrup. It has 3 grams of carbs. This is total carbs, but it is made with erythritol. And when I contacted them a while back, they said that basically you can deduct, I think, we're on this simple syrup here. You can deduct at least 1 gram of carbs from the erythritol. So this will probably have about 2 grams of carbs, because I was told the sweetener has 0 net carbs. So I'm gonna say about maybe 2 with this. And we're not even using a full ounce, we're only using a 1/2 ounce, so maybe 1 gram of carbs in the mango. if you ever decide to pick this up, be very sparing with it because it is very potent. I did a full ounce and it was too much mango. You couldn't taste anything else. So here we have the tequila, 0 grams of carbs. Lime juice bottled, 0 grams of carbs. Our triple sec on demand can have 0 net carbs because we use the monin sweetener, vodka, and a orange extract. So 0 net carbs on that. So we're gonna have, like I said, 1 gram of carbs, rough about from what they told me about their sweeteners. So really, back to what we said, 1 net carb, strawberries, maybe 1 carb in the strawberries. We'll add some ice. And there's that. And we're gonna go ahead and cap that off. Give it a good shake. And we're done. So from here, so you got a nice little frost on the outside. I don't know if you can see that or not. Once you get a frost on the outside, and so it's a little cold, where you kind of maybe like, hey, this is getting a little too cold to hold, you're good. From here, we're gonna get ourselves a fancy chunky margarita glass. It's one of my wife's favorites. And we're gonna double strain that. If you don't know what double strain is, that's using a hawthorn strainer over a fine mesh strainer. And this is gonna catch all the little pieces of strawberry or any fruits or herbs that you shook up and give it a nice clean taste. And there we go. And because some of the strawberry pulp came out of the cocktail, you know, caught it in a fine mesh strainer, we're gonna go ahead and just get all that out of there. And now we'll add some ice to this. Now, what I like to do is I like to fill this up all the way, then put the ice in. That way, I don't have any left in the shaker and I got it all in my glass. Just be careful when you do it this way. And we're gonna garnish that with a nice, fresh, fat Louisiana strawberry. Best ones around. And there you have it, my friends, the keto-friendly strawberry mango margarita. Of course I'm gonna taste this. With a little slurp in it. Man, that's beautiful. That mango really is there. And I only use a half an ounce. And those strawberries, you taste it all up, the tequila, it's got a nice little balance to it. Great cocktail. So guys, so please check out John at IF Keto. You can check out his video right here. You'll see how he does his keto-friendly frozen margaritas. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great night, because hell, I know I will. See y'all later.